I am Emily from 90D section. Today I am going to talk about the importance of STEM education. Take a look around you. Smartphone in your pocket, the lights over it. All of it is a product of science, technology, engineering and mathematics. This is STEM. STEM is not just a list of subjects. It's a foundation of a modern world. But today our focus is not on what STEM is, but on its importance for our students, our economy and our future. My argument is simple. Investing in and pre-parents in STEM education is the single most crucial investment we can make for the next generation. Our global economy is being rapidly reshaped by automation and AI. Jobs that existed 5 years ago are changing. The new roles are emerging at an astonishing pace. The common denominator, they are STEM jobs. By 2030, many experts predict that the majority of new jobs will require some level of STEM literacy. These jobs are not just in labs, they are in data analysis, clean energy, cyber security, and advanced manufacturing. The strong STEM education does not just prepare a student for a single career, it gives them a toolkit of transferable, high-demand skills that are guaranteed relevance in a fast-moving job market. Simply put, STEM skills are a new economic currency. But STEM goes far beyond the job market. It teaches a fundamental way of thinking. When a student is in a bridge in an engineering class or tries to balance a chemical equation in science, they are not just memorizing facts, they are learning the scientific methods. Ask a question, form a hypothesis, test it, analyze the result. This is critical thinking framework that is invaluable in every aspect of life. It teaches them to be skeptical, to evaluate evidence and to approach problems logically, whether they are tackling a complex maths problem or trying to figure out the best budget for a new ventures. STEM makes them active problem solvers, not passive recipients of information. Finally, we must recognize that the most pressing issue facing from humanity, from climate changes and sustainable energy to global pandemics and food security, will not be solved by hope or rhetoric. They will be solved by STEM. We need scientists to develop carbon capture technology. We need engineers to design resilient infrastructure. We need mathematicians to model disease outbreaks. By giving the students a rigorous grounding in STEM, we are empowering them to be next generation of innovators who will literally save the world. We are giving them the tools to build a cleaner, healthier and more equitable future for us all. So let's circle back. The importance of STEM education is threefold. It secures our economic futures, it cultivates essential critical thinking skills, it provides a solution to our greatest global challenges. It is our duty as educators, parents and community members to ensure that every student has access to high quality, engaging STEM learning. It's not about turning every child into scientist. It's about giving every child the power of scientific literacy and the confidence of a problem solver. That invest in our students, that invest in them, invest in a future where innovation thrives. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you for